on the track, and you know that I spit into it, and I don't give a damn. You know how I be feeling devilish. That 666, that's what I claim. 666, I throw it up. You know that I got like 36 blunts that I gotta light up. If you wanna fight a nigga like me, you know that you just gonna be a minus from the face of the earth, because you not delete to remove you. I don't give a damn, you know that for you there is no future. You know that I knew the minute that you called me out, you be a punk. I don't give a damn, you know I'm smoking on the blunt and drunk. Yeah, I'm getting crunk, and you know I'm in the car, swinging hard, whipping hard, and I cruise the boulevard of the broken dreams. You know that I'm coming and I leave you down. I don't give a damn, I run the pound, and you know what I slang out, motherfucking pounds and ounces. And you know 40 houses, what I did in basins too, you know that I'm counting. Shit. Either way, you know I hit a lick easy. And if you fucking with me, fool, you better delete me. Man, you better get that 9mm shoot. And you know that I be coming, I wouldn't wanna be in your shoes. If you fucking with me, because you won't lose the battle, lose it, boy, you know that I got more beef than a cattle. I said that yesterday, but you know that I still remain the same. Posted up and blazing on that Mary Jane, I'm staying strange up in the brain, but you know I ain't complaining. Game banging on these streets, show me the entertaining. The motherfucking mind just by doing violent crimes, and you know that I over here where I reside in the falls, but I'm finna move out of this bitch. You know that I be over here, I'm finna boom in this bitch. You know why? Because I got that 9mm heater, will heat you so fast. You know you could call me the Reaper, I'm in black most of the time, like half the time at least. And you know over here, man, I'm causing casualties. You know that you wanna be like me, but just can't do it. You be stupid if you thought you could, because you know I knew the minute that I started rapping that I take over the rap game. You know that my trap game proper. You know that I be up like I'm a helicopter. I'm the marijuana prescriber. You could call me the doctor, Doc Casper. You know that I be over here faster, making stacks, fool. You know what the hell I'm after. Money bags, money and cash, and the fucking ass on these hoes. You know that I be cruising in the in the back. You know that I could pop the trunk open. You know that I be drunk, and I'm hoping that the police don't pull up, because you know it's a DUI, and I don't give a damn. Half the time I be high, intoxicated, elevated, and you know that you be hating me, but you know that I be over here fooling blazing trees. You don't believe me, just check the video. I be drinking on that motherfucking Don Julio. Bam. But nah, seriously, like, fucking weed, dog. I got the weed and the chocolate Phillies. Oh, don't give a shit. Good combination.